Hey there dreamers, Anne-Marie here with Big Dreams, Tiny Budget, and I am trying to prioritize all the projects I got going on here. Oh, look at Maisie's licking this off. Anyhow, trying to prioritize all the projects that I have going on here. I am sick right now. My throat is... I'm having issues with my throat, and so I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of talking in this video because I can't really. But what we're going to be doing today, the object for today is to try to get this project completed. Today is September 4th, and if all goes well, I will upload the first part of this building with this portion of it. And you'll see it took me, I think I started it in June. And then came to a standstill. But then Robert came out. He's still here. And Robert came out and we put the electric out to it here. I did not do any video on that, but we just ran a breaker in the house, ran it down here underneath the trailer in conduit, ran it to a sub panel, and now we have a 30 amp breaker for him to plug in, or anyone else who comes to visit to plug in their RV. And then I have an outlet here in the shed, so I can also tie into that and put my lights up in out here with a light switch. That'll be a later video, much later, because it's low priority. But for now, the priority is to get this all enclosed so that I can start collecting rainwater off of it, and my IBC totes will go over there, and then I can store all this stuff. I have all this stuff out in the yard, and I hate it. It looks like Sanford and Son, and just makes me ill every time I pull up to it. So the object today is to get this done and fully enclosed and put the gutter on it so that I can collect rainwater, and then we'll go from there. So that's all the talking I'm going to do on this video. I will just put you guys on time lapse and let's see how far we can get. While editing this video, I realized that I forgot to mention that we also put 4x4 posts in the ground. I wound up moving the whole shed over to the right so that it's completely behind the mobile home. And Robert and I augured out 4 holes in the ground and put these 4x4 posts that you see as squaring up here. We stuck those in the ground. They're down about 18 inches in the ground to help sturdy up the whole metal frame. So there was the extra cost of those 4x4 posts, but in the long run it made it worth it because it made the whole shed a whole lot steadier. So that's what you see as squaring up now.
On a breeze, I got no enemies. I just do what I please. Yes, sir. I ain't got no things, no money, no means. Just a wind in the wings. Yes, sir. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. Bounce on knees, fresh from the oven, chubby and carefree. I had a mind at ease. Now I oversee the trees, birds and the beasts and the man and his empty deeds. I see everything. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. I saw the eyes of the maker, heard a rushing sound. Caught up in the wheel, going round and round. Spun like gold from the shining ground. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon. golden, golden things.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other.
Maisie,
Beyond
Hop up.
gravel, beyond
Maisie, get your stick. Get your stick. Maisie, Maisie. There you go. Get your stick. Get your stick. Come on, I need. Oh, check off with Dilly's ball. Go get it, Dilly. World's greatest handyman right there. So he turns his back on me. Robert,
What?
world's greatest handyman.
Where's the drill? On the table.
Wherever you left it last. All right, so
Oh,
got side panels up. Yeah, that's why I said do the.
only got two left.
Oh, just do this front area first. I can go get other ones for the back. So we're using metal tapping screws to get through this metal pole and the tin on the ends. Oh, the sun just came back out again. And then we're just using these roofing screws for the rest of it. But yeah, that's what we got done. I'd start at this end. Got to go get a ridge cap and build doors and a back. And then I could put my stuff away. Yay.